Today we're gonna make magic candy with only 2 ingredients, brown sugar and baking soda. Fill up your pot with brown sugar. So we're gonna melt our brown sugar down until it turns into a liquid. So this is starting to melt. I have never made this with brown sugar. I've done honeycomb with white sugar and like turned it into a caramel. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, that's perfect. And here's where the magic happens. Just need a pinch of baking soda. A pinch of the baking soda goes in. Mayday, we have an issue. Uh-oh, no, this is not good, guys. See, this is why I don't bake. Shoot, do I need to start over? Yeah, abort mission. What do we think, little chef? Should we try this over again? So the first one was a fail. Apparently, it's not brown sugar, it's water and white sugar. So we're trying this again. So tip number 1 is that we can't touch this, or else it's gonna crystallize. So this is simmering now. We are waiting for it to turn like a caramel color. I am so unsure of myself right now. Now we wait. This is almost worse than waiting for water to boil, because at least I could stir water. No, I don't have a spoon ready. They told me not to touch it. Okay, can I pull it? It's right, it's okay. To mix. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I need a spoon. I got a spoon. It's amber. I'm taking it off. I took it off. I'm swirling, and I'm swirling. Okay, this looks great, right? That looks like caramel, let's go. Here we go. Here's where the magic happens. Guys! Oh my gosh. All right. You guys are the best little chefs around. I couldn't have done it without you. I would have been making this thing with brown sugar. Look at that. So I threw some peanuts on it. It's okay.